The father of 4-year-old Shaquille Patterson is appealing for his safe return. The boy went missing on Sunday while at his great-grandmother's grave digging. More in this primetime news follow-up from Sandy Williams.
Young Shaquille Patterson was due to be at this Free Children's Street today. That's just around the corner from his house in Friendship, Westmoreland. Everyone is sporting a smile, but they say deep down they are saddened by his absence. Shaquille's disappearance has left everyone puzzled. So far, 3 search parties, including the police, went looking for him, but they yielded no success. Tamika Meeks is the organizer of the treat.
Shaquille, he would have been here with AJ, Tishain, persons from his class who would have been considered his friends per se. He would have been here in the same bounce about with them, running about, eating with them, playing with them, and having a merry little time with them, because that's just who he is. He's a very jovial person. He's somebody, he'll see you doing something and he'll just be there to assist you. So in a sense, it is a very sad situation that he is not here.
But even though Patterson is not at the treat, his gift was present, as the community is still clinging on to hope that he will return soon.
I would have packed a bag with books for him, like usual, pencils, a pencil case with crayons, ruler, sharpener, and stuff for him. Not knowing, not expecting that on Sunday night I would have received a call that he was missing, because I was in the process of packing the stuff.
The little boy's cousin detailed what happened the day Shaquille mysteriously disappeared.
We were all there and he just disappeared like that. Shock. So shocking. I bet everybody in the community crying, because as the kids then go around tell us, come back in the yard.
His father told TVJ News that he was at the river when he got the news. He says Shaquille was at the grave digging with his aunt, who has been raising him since he was a baby.
Same time, I jump on the bike, and my bigger brother jump on the bike. We come up, when we come up, we go and look, we see if we walk way or nothing, which you know, say, now go away. And I go there for ramping. Alright, come up, let him go back, go look. Along with me, and me go look also. And we don't see him come back over, so I'm looking at a bush and something. I was still not finding outside.
He says ever since the incident, he's been having sleepless nights. The father says he's not aware of anyone who would want to hurt his son.
Well, that rumors there. Boy, I don't know. That make no sense to them spread, because more know why no one say me would take my own son. I may have opportunity, I may have option, I can go for him whenever I want. Go bring him up here whenever I want. If he wants to sleep, he can sleep. So I don't have that in my mind, so I take my own son. I mean, no friend back at me would advise me if you take my own opinion. That's total madness.
The father says he wants his son to return so they can resume back to school shopping together. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.